It's carrying it, working out live.
You're being funny.
Sorry, no.
You're being really funny.
I have never, ever heard a bird speak like he does. He has the best ways of expressions. If he's not in a great mood, he'll show us, and he uses the right context.
Where you are, damn it.
Gizmo is 100% a stand-up comedian.
That's love pops.
His timing on his little jokes that he does is impeccable.
That was cool.
Alright, nobody else. Go.
So I'm cleaning in the kitchen, and he's getting frustrated. He comes over and he's like, "What are you doing now?" And I'm like, "I'm cleaning." And then he says to me, "You're doing such a great job."
You okay?
Okay.
Oh, that's okay.
But it was always on his own time. We let him make all the first moves.
Woo, you okay?
For 2 weeks, we didn't let him out of the cage so he can understand his surroundings and hear our voices.
When we rescued Gizmo, he was completely broken. His soul was so sad. Gizmo was caged for a majority of his 16 years.
We understand that birds need time just like a normal person would.
And I would just put a little stool next to his cage, and I would just talk to him. At first, he just would say random words. And then after 2 weeks, he made progress so quickly.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Oh, yes.
I think right from the start, he could feel that we loved him.
Whoa, not my face.
He knew that he could trust us pretty early on because we never pushed him to do anything. And we spoke kindly to him.
What's the matter?
You're making me laugh.
And he just flourished ever since being at our house.
Unfortunately, Gizmo can't fly, and we don't know whether he will ever be able to fly. But since we've had him, he's been completely able to free roam.
When you're in the kitchen and all of a sudden you hear, "Hello," from the ground. And you're like, "Kids, what are you doing
And
in
he's
here?"
just looking up, so cute. We were meant to be together. He absolutely completes us 100%.